Deb's Villa Cucina time. We're making a wonderfully tasting cauliflower soup. The first time I made it, we absolutely loved it, so I thought I would share it with you. A whole head of cauliflower. I broke it up, put 2 tablespoons of olive oil, put it in an oven at 425 for 26 minutes and brown. You can see how it is there. I actually kept 4 pieces to actually complement the dish when I do it. In the meantime, while that was cooking, I took 2 cloves of garlic and a medium red onion, sauteed that, and I just added 4 cups of vegetable broth. So now I've got the cooked cauliflower, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, about a tablespoon. I've got my cauliflower in there, and I'm going to add that broth you saw, soup, flowerettes, and I'm adding presentation, and wait till you taste it. It's really good.